Something a little different here. What I got is an old vintage radio flyer wagon that our buddy Dollar Bill gave us, and I'm going to restore it, but I'm going to make it a Restomod. I'm probably going to put big wheels on it, and because it's probably worth something original to somebody, and I don't want to compromise it, so I'm going to make it so it could be restored back to original if anybody ever wanted to. And needs a little work. Like I say, Dollar Bill gave this to me, so I've seen them in this condition on eBay for like $250, $300. But this one here, I don't know if you can see over here, we got it's rotted out here and then cracks. So I'm gonna have to do some welding. Even this back piece is a little bent, but this metal here is solid. Even the front here is a little twisted, but you know, it's nothing we can't fix. And you know, I'd like to know if anybody knows anything about these. I'm thinking this might be a 50s or 60s wagon. Let me put it on the side here so you guys can see a little better. All right. I'm looking into a little screen, and it's reflecting, so I really can't see what I could see. And take a look at the emblem, and if any of you guys can tell me, it doesn't look like it has the little guy on the wagon here. It looks like it's just big block letters, and then it's the flyer has a big wing on it there. Like I say, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it does have metal hubcaps. That's what makes me think it's earlier. But they're not like the round ones. Just have like a star on them, and they're held on with a screw. Probably sticks into a little hole, a little slot, and then screwed on with one screw. See these tires? These tires are in bad shape. That's why I'm not going to restore it to original. And on this side, yeah. So I can't figure out what year it is. But if somebody has an idea, let me know. So I'm gonna bring this inside. Even right here is a little dent, but it's nothing we can't fix. So let's bring it inside, and I'll show you what I plan on doing with it. Alright, we got it up here on the operating table, and I'm going to start taking it apart. But here's something that maybe it'll help somebody identify the year for me. The tires on here, there are no markings on the tires. You know, no size or nothing. It's funny, all the rims are in really good shape. And I bet you can get these hard tires if you wanted to. But like I said, there's no writing on the tires. Doesn't even tell you what size they are. But they do have like just an inline tread, you know. And I know some of them had like a diamond knobby pattern, you know. So that's another way maybe we can help identify what year this is. The rear wheels spin, but none of the front ones do. So what I'm going to do is put some 50-50. 50% automatic transmission fluid and 50% acetone. Sorry about that. Did I say acetate? Acetone? Acetate. And put them on these bolts. I think I'm probably going to wind up cutting all these bolts off to get the trucks off. That's probably what they call these. So even this truck down here is a little bent. But I'm going to take them off, and when I do redo this, I'm probably not even going to use this. I'll probably just make my own little wheel trucks to make this thing work. Alright, let's lube these up and start taking things apart. I'm going to put you guys up on a tripod, alright? Alright, we're going to start by taking the hubcaps off so we can take the wheels off. Okay, that's only sheet metal screws, so that's it's working good, working out good. And then you just twist that out and boom, you're there. It's pretty good there. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going around and put some 50-50 on everything. That way it'll help it when we try and take it off and save all these parts. Alright, got the wheels off, and the back ones weren't too bad. The front ones are pretty tough though. And the way they're put on is they got a 3-inch long bushing, a rubber bushing, you know, and that's swelled up and rotted up around the, you know, the steel there. So it took a while, but we got it. You know, I bet you could take that rubber bushing out and put bearing, you know, regular bearings on each side there, and this thing would really fly. Then it would be a real radio flyer. So, alright, I'm going to try to get these off with a wrench and screwdriver. I have a feeling I'm going to wind up cutting them all off though, because I don't know if I'll be able to get to the back side and this side, you know, without too much trouble. Alright, let me try and get them out, and we'll go from there. Alright, yeah, we got the front and back trucks cut off, and that was the way to go. You know, I would have spent hours trying to get them bolts off. So, alright, this is what look what we're going for here. Let me see if I can get back far enough. Alright, so that's where we're going. Here we go. Let me know what you guys think. Good or bad. Alright, and then here's that logo again. Alright, let me know what year this is. I know everybody out there had one of these. I know I had one. So we're going to call this one it, because not much more I can do right now. I think the next move is cleaning up the bucket there, and then we'll start fabricating the steering wheel and the rear axle. Alright, what you guys say? Enough of this? Alright, we'll see you in the next one.